welcome. If you have been experiencing spiritual chills on your journey and are wondering what are they, what is happening, then this video is for you. What does the term spiritual chills mean? Spiritual chills defines when you get goosebumps from positive outside or internal stimuli, which could be memories, compliments, inspiring music, movies, a loved one, a time with friends, praying, praising God, meditation, receiving a confirmation, feeling motivated to strive, gratefulness, and more. But most importantly, feel a cold or hot, euphoric/blissful wave flowing underneath your skin. This euphoric wave is what separates normal chills from the term spiritual chills. It can be learned to be brought up on demand consciously for long durations without the physical reaction of goosebumps and can give one the ability to do incredible feats with it. It is called spiritual because it is felt during spiritual practices like praying, praising, and getting confirmations. On the more active side, because of the many spiritual things that anyone can do with it once they have gained full control and access over it. This energy comes from your spirit. It is present in everything in the universe, and when it activates on its own in your body, it is because whatever you are doing, have heard, or came in contact with either moved you so deeply or landed right on target. So much that it activated your spirit and ultimately caused the ripples on your true self. Let's keep in mind that there are other ways that goosebumps can come from you for perfectly normal reasons, like adapting to the temperature or being startled. But in this case, this occurrence is from the reasons mentioned before. It is also documented and known under different terms like euphoria, tension, ecstasy, ki, chi, prana, vayus, aura, tumo, argon, kriyas, mana, bioelectricity, life force, PD, frisson, the secret fire, voluntary pillow erections, rapture, ruah, ether, nefesh, chills, ASMR, nen, spiritual energy, the force, and many more to be discovered. Thank you for watching this video and tune in next week for videos going more in depth on what you can do, how to strengthen it, how to feel it, and much more on spiritual chills.